Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make very easy, quick and healthy recipe of broccoli fry. This easy recipe is not going to take you more than 15 minutes. Before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. We are going to take 200 grams of broccoli. Broccoli is very healthy and it's full of vitamins and minerals. And it's very good for skin health. And there are a lot more benefits. Cut the broccoli into florets. Cut this into medium size. Add the sliced broccoli in the warm water. Let this rest for about 5 minutes. Don't leave it for more than 5 minutes as it starts losing the nutrients. We have taken 5 garlic cloves. Cut the garlic cloves into small pieces. Mince it well. After 5 minutes, rinse the water and take all the broccoli aside. Broccoli has been washed and cleaned well now. Now we'll move to the next process of stir fry. Heat the pan in medium flame. Add olive oil 2 tablespoons or butter or cooking oil, whichever you like. Add the minced garlic. Saute until fragrant. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add chili flakes half tablespoon to spice it up. Add broccoli florets. Saute it well. Add salt to it as per taste. Mix it well and cover it with the lid for about 5 minutes. Once it's cooked, it reduces by 20%. Take 1 lemon. Extract half lemon juice. Add lemon juice to the cooked broccoli. Mix well. Stir fry broccoli is ready. This stir fry broccoli recipe is a very healthy recipe. And yes, we can also have this as a keto broccoli recipe. If you want, you can add some more veggies into it. And this is a great one to have and delicious too. It looks so fresh and crunchy. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.